Hello, fellow truck lovers. Today, I'm going to walk you through the quick and easy process of inflating and installing your new FLATED Air-Topper. We continue to make improvements on our already incredibly popular Air-Topper series and wanted to share with you not only how to make the installation as perfect as possible, but also share with you some of these new improvements. When your Air-Topper arrives, you will have everything you need to complete the installation. Inside the box, you'll find your Air-Topper, windows, screens, straps, J-hooks, storage and carry bag, hand pump, and a repair kit if you ever need it. Start by removing the Air-Topper from the bag and remove any packing material. We recommend doing this in an environment similar to this video. A nice, clean, and forgiving patch of grass is perfect. Now you're ready to inflate the Air-Topper. There are a couple of ways of doing this. However, the primary thing to know before you start inflating is that you'll need to close all 4 valves. When you receive your Air-Topper, the valves are already open, so close them before inflation begins. One of the changes that we made for our newest version of the Air-Topper is that each of the chambers is completely independent of the others. This means you will blow each chamber up individually. While the Air-Topper includes the hand pump, our optional upgrade of the automatic electric pump will make inflation even easier. Regardless of your choice, inflate each chamber to between 5 and 8 psi. We recommend inflating to 5 pounds on your first time setting it up and then topping off the pressure later. Once you have your Air-Topper inflated, you're ready to install the windows. One tip to make this process very easy is to unroll your windows and remove the paper packing material. Next, lay those windows out in a warm, sunny area so that the wrinkles or rigidity will come out naturally. The warm temperatures make the windows much more malleable and afford a cleaner and easier install. Once you have the windows laid out and warming up, you can start to secure your Air-Topper to the bed of your truck. Getting the Air-Topper installed is so easy. Simply place the Air-Topper on your truck in the position that you would place a typical topper. While I do it on my own in this video, feel free to ask a friend to help if you need. Once it's in position, it's time to secure it with the included straps and J-hooks. There are 4 cam straps that are used to secure all 4 corners of your new Air-Topper. There are 2 cam straps and 2 J-hooks that are used to secure the Air-Topper to the underside of your truck's bed rail, halfway down the middle of the side windows by the way of a D-ring. For the corners, simply run the strap through the corner D-rings of the Air-Topper and then through the 4 corner steel security points that exist in the bed of your truck already. Pull each one of those securely, simply hand tight. And no need to really crank down on it, pulling it hand tight is enough. For the J-hooks, you will run a cam strap through the D-ring in the middle of each side window, then through the J-hook and back to the cam buckle. Then hook the J-hook underneath your bed rail and pull it tightly, and that's it. The topper is now secured to your truck bed. One other improvement that you'll notice when putting the Air-Topper on is that we widened the EVA weather stripping on the bottom of the Air-Topper to reduce any potential water from getting in, as well as improve the fitment along the leading edge corners of the Air-Topper closest to the cab. This ensures a wider and more watertight fit. Now it's time to get your windows installed. Each window is unique to a location where it's going to be attached, meaning that there is a left and a right, a back, and a cab window that are each designed specifically for that window location. To install the window, open up the Velcro enclosures on your Air-Topper, then place the window into its location. After that, push the rain flaps back down over the window for a very secured and dry fit. Feel free to work the window a little bit to get it tight and looking as good as possible. And for the back window, it's essentially the same thing. Just open up the Velcro tabs that run the length and the height of the back, and then place the window between the 2 flaps, press down and seal. Your back window is now totally locked in. And a new upgrade for this model is how it secures cleanly across your tailgate and seals even better. We accomplish this by running hook and loop tape across the inside back of the window, and then have a custom-made cam strap with the opposing hook and loop that attaches to your tailgate. To install that strap, just run the strap around the top of your tailgate, go through the cam buckle, and then pull tightly. Then close the tailgate and attach the hook and loop that is on the rear window. This new system not only allows you to pull the back window down tighter, but also affords much more dryness as the window attachments seal over the window, restricting any water from getting in. You have now installed your air topper. Things to double check are that all of your cam straps are secured, your windows are secured between the rain flaps and the topper, and that all the valves are closed. We are so grateful that you have chosen a FLATED Air-Topper to outfit your truck and want to make sure you have a quick and easy time doing the actual installation. If you have any questions regarding how to install it, please contact us, and we are always here ready to help.